indentation we will use to define the boundaries for if and else statement. So in conditional statement, we will apply this type of boundaries. So we can say like that, this is a part of this if else statement, right? Same way, if you run the code, you will get output x is a greater number, right? So if you write even second statement here, if you print the x, this will also important. We cannot write here without space, right? If you write without space, then it will give you the error, right? Expected indented block, right? So whenever you write any, when you define any function, when you define any conditional statement, when you define any loop, okay, in all cases, when you define any class, in all cases you will use this type of indentation block. Okay, so that will tell you that this all statement are part of conditional statement, or this all statement are part of a function, right? And you always have to maintain same space, right? You cannot put like this. Here you are keeping less space, and here you are keeping more space, right? So this is not allowed. It will give you again error. Expected indent. This is called indentation. This is very important concept in Python. Okay, now these are the keywords we can say in Python. So there are more, almost 33 keywords are used. In future, it may be changed. It may become more or less, but overall 33 keywords are there. So I already told you, okay, if you want to write any syntax in any programming language, you first have to learn these keywords, right? So we have here, we have applied the if statement, right? If you say this is a conditional statement we have used. Okay, so this conditional statement is this is a syntax, we can say like that. This is a keyword, if else, then if you apply for loop, so for is also keyword, and your editor will always highlight that keyword. It will change the color of that particular words, so you will get idea, okay, this is a special word or keyword. Okay, so there are 33 keywords. There is no need to remember all that keywords. Whenever we use that keyword, you will automatically remember all keywords. There is no need to remember the all keywords. We will use each and every keyword during our 30 lectures, and then you will definitely remember all the keywords. So I will again give you the example. See, this is the all keywords. Almost all keywords are in lowercase except false, none, and true. Here, first letter is a capital letter. Okay, so this is the keywords that is used to define the syntax of Python. Now we will say Python is also called the dynamic type of language, right? So why Python is called dynamic type of language? Because Python is very flexible, right? Here, if you see in Java, again we will compare with the Java or C++. First of all, you have to declare the thing, right? If you want to use any variable here, if you see, you have to first declare it. See, I want to use this sum variable. First of all, I have to inform compiler that this sum variable will be integer, and I will store integer value in that, right? And if I try to add any other value, just like I want to store, I'm trying to store the float value, right? It will give me error. Can you see that red mark? Okay, type mismatch, right? So this is the limitation in Java or C++ programming. Whenever you use any variable, first of all, you have to declare it. Without declaration, we cannot use that variable. Okay, but in Python, this type of limitation is not there. So how I can say this thing? So I will show you. See, I have stored here x is equal to 10. So this is a number. So this is an integer number. So if you check the type of x, this is a ready-made function in Python. We can inbuilt function. So if you check the type of x, it will show you the integer. Class int. Can you see that? Class int. Okay. Now I can again store the value just like hello. If you check again type of x, what it will show? It will give you the string, class of string. Okay. So even if you store any list in that, Python is allowing that, right? But Java, C++ will not allow that thing. Because in that languages, the strong declaration is required before you use any variable. But Python is flexible for this type of declaration part. Why it is flexible, that I will give you, I told you the reason. So Python is using interpreter to run your program. And what interpreter will do? Interpreter will check your code line by line. It will check first this line. And it will see that you have stored the 10 value in x. So it will declare x as an integer type. Then again it will see that you have stored hello in x. So now it will declare x as a string type. Again, that interpreter will check, oh, this is the list in x. So now it will declare x as a list type, right? So that's why this type of flexibility is available in Python only. So that's why Python is called the dynamic type of language. Okay. So these are the flexibility available in Python. Now we will see how we can declare the string, how we can extract the string, right? So this is some small demo of that. So if I write Python program, so whenever you want to store any sentence or any text, you have to declare in double quote, right? That is the first rule. When you print this, it will print total text. Okay. Now, if I want, see, in Python, we can, Python programming will apply indexing on each and every character of text. So what is the position of P? That is, start with the indexing will start with the 0. So here position of P is 0. So if I want to print only P instead of Python program, what I will do? I will apply here with index, right? So always index will be applied in the square bracket. So if I run the code, it will print the P. Okay. So this is called indexing in Python. So whenever if we want to extract any character in string, we can apply indexing. If you want to print n, then what is the index of n? So you have to count from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So index of n will be 5. Can you see that it will print the n? Okay, now we can also apply the negative indexing in this. So if you your positive index will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that, and your negative index will be start from backside. Okay, so if I want to print in Python program m, so I will write directly -1. This is the last character of your string. So when you run the code, it will print M. Right? So this is, we can also apply negative indexing in Python. So if you write here -4, so what it will print? -1, -2, -3, -4. So it will print G. Okay, we will check whether it is printing G or not. Yeah, it is printing G. Can you see that G? So this is the, we can call indexing, we can apply on Python. If you want to check particular first character of any sentence or whatever character you want to check in particular sentence, you can apply indexing in that case. Okay, same way, if you want to print the, you can also apply slicing operator in Python. So if you want to print the Python program, only Python, so in that case, you have some rule, that is, you have to apply start index and stop index, right? So what is in stop index, we have to apply +1. Okay, so what is start index here? I want to print Python, right? So what will be the my start index? Can you tell me? If you write in chat box, if you have any idea. What will be the my start index? I want to print Python in Python program. Hello. It will write here in 0, right? Because it will start with the P. So you have to write here 0. And what will be the end index? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? But I will add 5 plus 1 means 6. So here end index will be 6. So if you run the code, it will print Python. So this is called slicing operator. We have to check start point, we have to check end point, and we have to add +1 in end point. Then it will print the particular part of the string. Same way, if I want to print program instead of Python program, so what I will do, first of all, I will check the position of a program, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then space will be also considered as a character. So 6. And starting of the program will be 7. So here we will put here 7. Okay. And we want to go up to end. So I will not apply any endpoint because I want to continue with up to end. Right? So I will not write any endpoint here. So it will print program. Okay. So this is called slicing operator in Python. So we have seen so many things up to now. We have seen why we should use Python. Python is very important programming language that we have studied. Then what we have seen different keywords in Python. Then we have seen the indentation in Python. Then how we can apply the indexing and slicing in Python, how we can initialize string in Python. Right? So these are the basic things we have started the learning. Okay, so is there any question up to now, all of you? Hello. Hello. Okay. So okay, so I'm ending this session. Okay. So you can talk with Arun or Krishna. Okay. Thank you for today's session. Okay, bye.